Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're reviewing ProSolution Gel, a topical male performance support product that many men are talking about. Unlike pills or capsules, ProSolution Gel is applied directly to the skin. Because of this, it doesn't go through digestion and may work faster for some users. It's designed for men who want a simple, discreet, and easy-to-use option. The formula focuses on plant-based ingredients that help support blood flow, sensitivity, and overall performance confidence. The gel is non-greasy, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave an uncomfortable feeling on the skin. Using it is very simple. Just apply a small amount to clean, dry skin and gently massage until absorbed. With regular and correct use, many users report better control and improved confidence. Of course, results can vary from person to person, and this is not a miracle product. But if you're looking for a topical alternative to pills, ProSolution Gel is definitely worth considering. To avoid fake products, always purchase from the official website. You'll find the link in the description below.